Hi, dinosaur.
Yeah, he says.
Hi. Hi, sweetheart.
Hi, Gaby. That's your dinosaur. Yeah.
It's okay.
It's okay. He just likes to talk.
This is firecracker.
Who's
This is
on the fire truck? The dinosaur on the fire truck?
Dinosaur's putting out the fire.
Yeah, she's firecracker away.
He's going for a ride.
That's pretty awesome. Is that awesome or what?
Yeah.
Gabe, can you say awesome?
Backing away, look at him.
Can you say awesome?
Now he's gonna hate your fire truck too.
How old are you? Gabe, how old are you?
Oh, give it up. He said it like 10 times today.
He hasn't said it on camera.
He said he's on Jason.
He didn't say it on mine.
Gabe, how old are you?
How old are you? Yeah, little bugger. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Oh,